Thank you to the company for sending this cordless angle grinder kit. It's brushless, which is good. Comes with two 16.8 volt batteries. The charger. Comes with some cutting discs. A wood blade. Some metal grinding and cutting blades. Comes with a blade for concrete or stone. And a sanding blade. Comes with a pair of gloves, instruction manual, and Allen wrench. It has an adjustable shield. It's got a cover here. That one. It has a power meter light. Flapper disc. We'll sand a little wood.
Cool. That'd be great for furniture.
Feels good in your hand. It's about 7.5 inches long. Pretty light. Looks like it'd be pretty handy.